Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suwa Muhammad Abqari bin Abdul Razak from ENB6MAA1. Today I will be presenting the assignment which is Integrated Tinkercad project. I choose to develop a smart door lock using password, push button and remote control infrared. So this is my schematic diagram for the circuit I made using the Tinkercad software. I use keypad, push button, infrared sensor as the input to open the lock. The keypad is for the exterior of the door, while the push button and infrared remote for the interior of the door. For the output, I use the I2C LCD display, solenoid lock, LED and buzzer. Here is the keypad. The keypad, I connected it to the digital pin 2 to digital pin 9. The infrared sensor, one of its legs connected to the 5V power, the middle one to the ground and the other to the digital pin 11. For the push button, we'll need a resistor of 10 kilo ohm that connected to the ground, one leg connected to the 5V and one to the digital pin 12. For the LCD, this one it will not actually work here. As for my circuit, I use the I2C LCD display, which only have 4 pins, unlike the standard LCD that I will not have enough pins to use on the Arduino. It connected to the power, ground, the SDA pin connected to an analog pin A4, and SCL to the analog pin A5. For the lock, I use solenoid light, which goes to 5V relay module that connected to the ground, power and the signal pin 13. The piezo buzzer connected to digital pin 10 and LED connected to analog pin A0 that I convert to digital output. Here I made the circuit using the Arduino Uno. The keypad, L2C LCD display, solenoid light connected to 5V relay module and batteries, the push button, the infrared sensor, buzzer and LED. Let's see how it works. Pressing the password that I set to be 1401, then pressing the hash button will open the lock. It will be unlocked for about 5 seconds before being locked again. Pressing the wrong password, it won't be unlocked. This is the code. Pressing the numbers will print out the stars on the LCD. This the sound made pressing the button. When the password has become 4 numbers long, the same with the number with the password set, then pressing the hash button will call and trigger the function. Here is when the password is wrong. All values will be clear after each. This the setlock function. When it is true, it will be just locked and playing the tone. When it is false, the lock and LED will become hide and it will be unlocked for about 5 seconds. Pressing the ABCD buttons, it will just set to be invalid key. The code here for the ABCD buttons. When pressing the password for more than 4 numbers, it won't do anything. Even after pressing the right password, then pressing any random number, it will still be able to unlock the lock. The number will only be counted when the pass length is less than 4, and will input to the pass here. Also, when pressing the start button, it will clear anything that already been pressed. Here is the code. When pressing the start button, everything will be clear. Next, for the input is the push button. Push button is used from the inside the interior of the door. With only by pressing the push button, the door will be unlocked. When the button is pushed, the button state change to hide, which then trigger the set lock function. Open for 5 seconds, then will be locked again. The last input is the infrared sensor. Using remote being far away from the lock, the door will be able to be unlocked. Here I set it to be button number 1. Pressing it, it will unlock the door. For the infrared, it needs to first define the code from the button of the remote here. When it receives signal from the remote, the same with the defined before, it will trigger the set lock function, thus unlocking the solenoid lock. Pressing any correct input without any certain order which acts independently will able to trigger the solenoid lock. So that's all from me. Thank you.